Are you a photographer, a graphic designer, or just about anyone in the creative space? Then come close. I've got something for you. In this video, I'll be showing you a free AI platform that can take one image and create multiple variations of that same image. That sounds cool, right? Let's dive right in. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to get your image, right? So I went to Pinterest and I just downloaded this headshot image or this image of a man in a jacket. So next up, you log on to this website right here, app.riv.com. Right, so you're going to see two options here. It says start with text or start with an image, right? So you're going to go with start with an image to upload your image. Now, right here, you have different options, right? But I'm not going to go with this prompt. I'm going to type in my prompt right here. So in this field where you see ask Riv, right, you're going to type in your prompt. So I'm just going to say, give me, now you can type in the number of poses you want, right? So, or variations of the image you want, but I'm not going to go with 5. So I'm going to say, give me 5 different variations of this image. Okay, right, and go ahead and click enter. So just give it a few minutes to process your command, right? All right, so as you can see, it gave us quite a number of different variations of this image, right? But yes, now I think the issue, I put in the wrong prompt, right? So I'm going to do this again, right? So I'm going to click the original image once again, right? Then in the prompt, I'm going to say, give me 5 different. Now this is where you have to be very apt with your prompt, right? So I'm going to say, give me 5 different poses of this same image. So you have to ensure that your prompt is precise, as you're going to get something else. All right, so I'm going to click enter. So let's give that a few minutes to, right, so it says I'll create 5 different poses while maintaining the same sophisticated style. Right, so let's see what it's going to come up with. All right, so I think this is cool, right? So as you can see right here, it gave us 5 different poses of the same image. So if you actually, as a photographer, you did a photo shoot and you forgot to take certain poses, I mean, this website will definitely come in handy, right? Now, I think they give you a bit of, the free account has some limitations, right? I think they give you a certain number of attempts every day, right? So if you want to upgrade to the pro to have unlimited, that's fine. Or else you need to wait for 5 hours to use the free account again, right? So you can also write in the, so I think these are some of the different poses I was able to generate using this platform. I think it's cool. Now, I made another video on this website that shows you how to use this website to change colors, the color of your clothing, right? So I'll leave that in the description box, right? So you can go ahead and watch that video. So I'm sure you had a ton of value from this video. If you did, go ahead, give this video a like, and of course, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And of course, ensure the notification is turned on so you will be notified by YouTube whenever I make such amazing content once again. By the way, I post these videos every week, so you don't want to miss it. So thanks for watching. Peace out.